Okay, first thing you want to do is try and run pip or try and run pip3. Okay, you see whether pip actually runs. If it doesn't run, it will say pip is not recognized as an internal or external command, blah, 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 blah. If this happens, go to start and then search for environment variables. Okay, if you type in env, you should already find the first option here, edit the system environment variables. Okay, once you're inside here, click on environment variables, and then you either select path here or path here, depending on whether you want to apply pip, whether you want pip to work for either a single user or you want pip to work for all users. Okay, if you want to apply pip to all users, then what you want to do is select the path here and then edit. And then here, what you want to do is click on new. And once you are here, you need to find where Python is installed. Okay, so if we just search for Python on the start screen, you can find the Python version here, and you can do a right click to find where the file is. Okay, so this will open up the Python shortcut on the start menu. You can right click again and open file location. This will bring you to your Python install directory. Once in the Python install directory, if you go into the scripts folder, you will find pip 3.10 and pip3. So if you tell your Windows, right, where this folder is, then Windows will be able to pick it up, and then your command prompt will be able to run pip. Okay, so in your Window Explorer, click on this folder here to get the path. Do a Control-C to copy, and then you can paste this particular field inside here. Okay, once you are done, you've added this to your paths. Click on OK and click on OK again. Okay, for pip to actually work, once your paths are updated, you will have to open another window of command prompt. Okay, the new window should have pip working. So once you type in pip, if you see this long line of text, that means pip is working. Another thing you can do is if you want a shorter output, you can just type pip. Okay, if you run pip and then double dash version, this will give you the version of pip that you have now, okay, as well as where the pip is